Infiniti of South Atlanta, home of Atlanta's award-winning service department.
Heating, ventilating, and air conditioning. For us, it's what keeps us warm in the winter and cool in the summer. For our vehicle, it's what keeps it from overheating and breaking down. It is critical to your car's health to keep up on the maintenance of the heating and cooling system. The majority of energy from gasoline turns into heat, and the main job of the cooling systems is to keep the engine from overheating by converting this heat into air. The cooling system uses coolant, which has the tendency to break down over time. We suggest flushing out the system once a year. If you don't, pressure gets put on the radiator and your engine runs hotter than it should. This leads to gunk building up under the hood, and eventually the overall performance of your vehicle will decline. Checking and replacing filters is another way to improve performance and gas mileage. An air filter keeps debris from entering the engine, and a fuel filter helps protect the fuel system. A properly working heating and cooling system is absolutely necessary to keep both you and your car safe.
The professionally trained technicians at Infiniti of South Atlanta will place you, your families, and your vehicle's safety as our top priority. At Infiniti of South Atlanta, we will assess and fix whatever issue your vehicle may be having and leave you breathing a sigh of relief once you leave our lot. Our service department also offers maintenance-related services to keep your vehicle running up to par and at its best. Thank you for your interest in servicing your vehicle at our dealership. We are located at 4201 Jonesboro Road in Union City, or give us a call at 877-272-6406.